Okay, you should have downloaded the file. It's called Excel Basketball. What we're going to be doing is showing you how to make control lists and sorting lists. So you should have this file open. This is your answer key. This is what it should look like when we're all finished. And these are our list directions in tab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last tab is where we do all of our work. So zoom in on that so we can do it. These are some NBA salaries from back in the day. So what we're going to do is work with this data to sort things a little bit easier. All these players are retired. Let's see. Lonzo Mourning was probably the most recent one to retire. Any other familiar names to you guys?
Spud.
Yeah, Spud Webb. Represent the shore people.
John Starks.
Tim Hardaway. And Timmy was here last week, right? Putting on a clinic. Okay, so this is a long list. What we're going to do is organize it a little bit better. So, go to your list directions. Okay. Let's renumber our list directions. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's no 9. So what you can do is highlight 3 rows like this. And if you drag it down, it should automatically number them for you. So practice that. So hit 1, 2, 3, highlight the 3, and then drag it down. And it should automatically number them for you. You can also do that for days of the month. If you put January, February, March, like this. If you put January, February, March, and highlight 3, and then copy it down, it'll keep going for you. So Excel is very smart. Use its auto features to its fullest. Okay, so first of all, in this one, it says unhide column B. So go to your list, go to A, B, right click or control click and hit unhide. So we have that finished.
Wait, I'm really confused about the months thing. It's not working for me.
A couple of you guys have questions on months. I just said for the months, if you go like Jan, Feb, Mar, you have to have at least 3 things to copy it down.
Yeah, and then, oh, okay.
Make sure you have that little cross.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go back to what we were doing. Good question. So we unhid the B column. You highlight A, C, right click or control click and unhide.
Wait, mine's different than yours. Mine doesn't have a B column.
You're supposed to unhide it.
Oh.
You highlight A through C, and then you control click unhide.
Why was it hiding?
Right click. There.
Why would you hide it?
Okay, now it says cut and move. Column D.
You just color A through C.
In between columns, what? Column F and G. So let's take out D. Cut. And go between where? Yes, F and G. Oh, wrong button. Wrong button. There we go. So you highlight the letter, the column letter, you hit control click cut, and then you highlight G, and then you control click and you hit paste, and it'll automatically paste it in front of it, in between them. And notice it doesn't replace it, it automatically inserts it in between. Okay, any questions?
But how do you go without getting it off? Oh.
See, he's got it.
Wait.
So one more time, you click on letter C, you hit cut. If you want it in between F and G, you highlight G, and then you click, insert, cut cells, and it's there. Okay? Alright, moving on.
Oh.
Okay, so we did that one. Now, auto size B through F. Now to auto size, all you do is double click between the two cells and it'll automatically resize them to the appropriate lengths. So this is, so you don't want them too big, you don't want them too small. Okay, next. Notice when you scroll down, you see all the names, but we lose the header. Like what is this number? What if we forget what that number heading was? We have to scroll back up and notice it's salary. So what we want to do is create a freeze frame. So highlight row 3 and then go to window, and we're gonna freeze the frame, freeze the panes like Mr. Freeze. Yeah.
Oh.
So now when you scroll down, your header stays and you don't get confused. So cool, right?
That's cool.
Wait.
That ain't nothing. Alright, here we go. So we're done with that one. We can delete that. Next. Direction number 3 says, go to A60. We're going to insert a comment. Okay, insert a comment on the salary cell. Actually, the salary cell isn't A60. So I would highlight this text so we don't have to type it again. So copy that. And then let's go to our list and go to the salary cell. Our salary is right here in F2, so that should say F2. And then we're going to insert a comment. So similar in Microsoft Word, you go to insert comment. Okay. And that's not my name. My name is Mr. Heil. If you want to put your name, you can. Otherwise, you can just insert the comment. MBA salaries before taxes. Hit you're done. Now notice that there's a little red triangle at the top right corner of your cell. So if you hover over that, it'll show you your comment. Okay? You got it? If you want to delete that comment, you highlight the cell, control click, and you can edit the comment, delete the comment, show the comment, all that stuff. Okay? Alright. Let's see. Okay, A60 was supposed to be for the next direction. A60, go to data forms and insert this guy, Freddie Jones. He just got a new contract. He's a new or old player. So go to A60. So go to A60, then go to, data form. So go to A60, go to data form, and notice this is where we have all of our players. If you need to find a certain player, you can go to the next. You can put in criteria. So if I put in the name Scott, let's see if there's a Scott name. Find next. Nope, no Scots. Criteria. Let's see if there's Mark, which is my name. Find next. Yes, there's a Mark Strickland. So this is an easy way to find people. But what we're going to do is hit new. We're going to add this player. Okay, his name is Freddie Jones. And his salary is 11 million.